Ooey, Louie! That was for my grandbaby, Louie. Popeye says hi. Welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. Finally got it. Today's unboxing will be the War Cowl from Alter Ego Studios. I expected to get this about a week ago. It's here today. I'm very anxious, so let's get into this. Turnaround time with Alter Ego, I was told, is normally 6 weeks. And I think overall they were on schedule. So there's no problem there. I am normally pretty hesitant since the pandemic to order anything from overseas. They're in Great Britain, I think. Yeah, no, they're in the United Kingdom. Because I'm impatient and I hate to wait. But I really liked their version of this cowl. And I bit the bullet. I waited. And now it's here. Oh, this is cool. Not the popcorn kernels. You know what? Hold on a sec. I'm going to drop this box down. Now, this is cool. They give you a stand for your cowl. Probably helps you for it to keep its shape. Get in there. I think that's how it goes. Very cool. Looks like it's wrapped nicely. See if I can get this out here without spilling all of these popcorn kernels all over the floor. Fight. Ooh, wee. Let's move this over a little bit. Get the ears. Oh, I see what's going on. Oh, no, I don't. Here we go. There go T. Oh. Oh. A little misshapen from the way it was packed, the nose, but I think some heat will take care of that. So here it is. The War Cowl. I think it's supposed to fit up to 24 inches. My head is 23.5 inches. We're gonna find out how well this fits, but take a better look at the detail, the musculature of the neck, the ridges in the back. I think they did a beautiful job with how they sculpted this. Sharp, angular features. I have a suit in mind that I would like to wear with this particular cowl. I have a rebirth suit that I suited up in for an earlier video, and I really wanted this cowl for that suit up. Let's find out how this fits. Whoops. Glasses off. That's not too low. I'm going to have to put foam in it to push it forward off of my eyes. I'm having a hard time seeing, so I won't worry about whether or not I can see. I'll just let you see how it's fitting me. It's comfortable. The weight seems very similar to the cowls that I received from Gauntlet FX and Hernandez Sculptures EFX. I am very satisfied with this cowl. I think it's going to really look great with my costumes. And I will do a suit up with this cowl and the costume that I wanted to wear for you to check it out. Let's see if getting it off is just as easy. Big head. That was excellent. Well, that's not working out the way I expected. Okay, so the cowl stand is not tall enough. So we won't be using that. At least not for this cowl. I could probably find something else to place this on. So there it is. Alter Ego Studios War Cowl, Batman War Cowl. I wanted it because it's different from every other cowl that I have. The sharp angles of the mask. I feel like this would be a better cowl for the Thomas Wayne Batman or the Rebirth suit or just anything related to maybe the animated series. But you'll see. You'll have the opportunity to see this mask with another costume. So anyway, hey, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're interested in this cowl, like I said, I got it from Alter Ego Studios. You can find them on Facebook or just Google them.